Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to change your default terminal directory in VS Code editor. First of all, let's open the terminal. So whenever you open the terminal, by default, it will always pick your project directory. In my case, it is new folder on the desktop. If I want to make desktop my default directory in the terminal, I can go to File, Preferences, then click on Settings. Now here, simply search for terminal integrated CWD. So currently you can see this input is empty. Let's fill it. This is the path of my desktop. Now simply kill the terminal. Go to View. Click on Terminal and you will see here I will get desktop. So that's my default terminal directory. So I hope you understood how to change your default terminal directory in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.